Welcome to the Command Line Podcast for August 24th, 2011. I'm your host, Thomas Command Line Gideon, self-proclaimed hacker, eccentric, and hackable. This is my show about practice and professional programming, well over a decade of professional experience and a lifetime spent hacking, the intersection of technology with society and public policy, and anything else clever, elegant, or funny that catches my mind as a diehard technology geek. This episode is a feature cast in it. I did manage to figure out the topic, and that's actually very appropriate as you'll hear in our chapter on the subject of travel. There's also a new hacker word of the week. Before I get into here and there, so there's a little bit of administrative that I have to attend to. First, I have to thank James C. for his very generous donation since the last time we heard my voice. And also, Jed sent a follow-up to his listener comment from last week, clarifying the short story that he mentioned in talking about the segment on AI fictions, the Asimov short story Risk, a title that he admits to having some difficulty digging back up, but the fruits of his efforts in doing so are also a link, which I'll include in the show notes, to the Wikipedia entry about that short story. Also of interest is to note the other short story that he mentioned that recently aired on the wonderful Escape Pod Anthology podcast, For Want of an Ale by Mary Robinette Cowell, which at the time that was released was known to be nominated for a Hugo Award, actually won that Hugo Award. Before Ohio Linux Fest. I think that is the week of the 5th, so I'm thinking there might be a Wednesday or Thursday episode there, and then hopefully I'll get more solidly onto the new schedule, and I'm thinking that will be either Sunday or Monday night releases of the once weekly shows that will go out, maybe with some feature audio recorded at Ohio Linux, if not maybe something inspired by my experiences there. Hacker Word of the Week comes from The Jargon File, maintained by Eric Raymond at catd.org. Flowchart. Noun. Text speak. An archaic form of visual control flow specification, employing arrows and speech balloons of various shapes. Hackers never use flowcharts, consider them extremely silly, and associate them with COBOL programmers, code grinders, and other lower forms of life. This attitude follows from the observations that flowcharts, at least from a hacker's point of view, are no easier to read than code, are less precise, and tend to fall out of sync with the code, so that they either obfuscate it rather than explaining it, or require extra maintenance effort that doesn't improve the code. The inner chapters journal my own quest to improve in the craft of programming. Each chapter reflects on a specific practice or principle through the lens of my own experiences, both as a professional and an enthusiast. The name refers to the Chinese classic of philosophy, the Chuanzi. Divided into two sections, the inner chapters make up the first part, attributed to the philosopher Chuanzi himself. The commentaries in the first section, written by his students and others, are known as the outer chapters. I hope you will contribute to my outer chapters by sharing your own thoughts and experiences on growing as a programmer. Given that next week I'll be taking my first European trip, talking about the experience of travel from a hackish and professional point of view seemed like an excellent topic to spend some time considering. In my experience, travel is a not uncommon part of working as a programmer. It's often an aspect that some hackers seek out, whether it's to work or as a personal pursuit, just for satisfying the curiosity to see new places. Working with other offices within then quite large consultancy. When I left that job, when the bubble burst